Hi everyone, it's Troy at Combined Pool and Spa, and today I'm going to show you how to measure your hot tub cover. You will need two essential tools, your tape measure, and if you have a carpenter square it works great. If you don't have a carpenter square, I would just get two straight things to measure your corners. Simple tape measure or just something with a straight edge. If you have a square cover, all you need to measure is from left to right and front to back. So real simple on a square cover. If you have a cover that has a radius that is rounded at the corner, this is how you would do it. You take your carpenter square here and you put it right up there, just like that. Take your tape measure and you measure from right where it's touching back to here. So if you can see this closely, we're at 6 inches. So this is a 6-inch radius corner. Very, very simple. Another thing that you would like to measure is your skirt here. You want to cover your acrylic shell up here, so you would just measure from here to here. Very simple. Give us the dimensions of that and we'll order your hot tub cover up for you. Thank you and have a beautiful day.